Parmis, Shabbak. So today I'm going to talk about how to make your day a better one. Well, there are three ways to make your day a better one. We have all waking up moody one day or not very pleasant. One way, and the first one, is to wake up thinking about the good things you can do throughout the day. Imagine I wake up and I think about the good day I'm going through. What a good day. And I see people playing in the park, and so on. And I think about the things I'm going to do that's going to be fun. And this is actually helping you to start the day positive. What does that mean? Eventually, when you open your eyes thinking about the good things, your brain starts functioning positively. You're telling your brain that you have to think positive, and that will help you go through the day way more positive than maybe it would be. So the second way is maybe the harder one. So many of us go through the day and face problems, whether big or small. Let's go with a small example. Every day, everyone has to go to school. So I go to school and get the macaroni I don't like, but I want to be positive today. So what I do is that I think about the vegetables I like and it's around it. And, well, it's not pleasant, so I think about my mom's perfect macaroni. So I close my eyes and I start imagining I'm having my mom's. The first spoon I imagine, the second one I imagine, but actually, after that it's not that hard. I don't need to imagine. The macaroni is way more tasteful than how it was before. So this is the second step. Actually, by doing this, you're telling your brain to look as a positive point of view to problems, whether big or small. You're learning to go through problems with a positive point of view. Now the last thing that will make you happy is when you're almost done with your day and you're getting ready to go to bed. You get a paper or a notebook and then you start listing all the things you've done throughout the day. The things that make you happy. You start with big things. Like today, I watched my favorite movie with my parents. Then after that, that made me happy. And then after that, I also went to the park with my friends. That made me happy too. You list different things until you get to really small and minor things. Like, I was in the street and then the woman smiled at me. That made me happy. And way more things that are smaller. After you're done with writing them, go through the list. You'll realize that today was a perfect day for you. You did a lot of things that made you happy today. You did a lot of things that you might have not realized if you haven't listed them. Start doing this for a week. I personally have done it, and then after that, you don't need to force yourself. So you don't force yourself to think positive. It just happens. Unconsciously, you start thinking about positive things. Thank you.